but I have betrayed my conscience.
By nightfall, I want to know that Hitler's Germany has seen its last sunrise. Let's begin.
There's an undeniable excitement about the film. This is a thriller that is set in the war, more than a war movie.
The reason that everyone is here is because Bryan Singer is involved. Everyone, including myself, admires him tremendously. He's an important filmmaker.
It is such an extraordinary story. It's about bringing down the greatest monster in human history.
We have to show the world that not all of us will like him. Otherwise, this will always be Hitler's Germany.
If you look at the first impression, Bryan Singer, Tom Cruise films, you've got X-Men meets Mission Impossible. But you may forget that I made The Usual Suspects, or that Tom made Born on the 4th of July. So this was a segue into doing a more realistic portrayal that this really happened.
Operation Valkira is in effect.
I was on a tour of Berlin, and there's a monument there to the men involved in the plot to remove Hitler from power. I knew how fascinated I was the minute I heard the story, so I never had any doubt that this was going to be an exciting story.
I am involved in high treason with all means available to me. Can I count you in?
For anything, sir.
Anything is a very dangerous word.
It's a tremendous coup to have Tom Cruise play Klaus von Stauffenberg. And no one could be more highly regarded in German society than Stauffenberg.
I became immediately fascinated with this character. Klaus von Stauffenberg was a key member of the German resistance in the plot to assassinate Adolf Hitler. He was wounded in North Africa when his column was attacked by British Spitfires. He lost his right hand, 2 fingers on his left hand, and his left eye.
You came to us as a wounded soldier. Now you're the architect and the assassin.
Stauffenberg realized that Hitler was terrible for Germany, terrible for the world, and a rogue and a criminal, and needed to be taken out.
If I fail, they'll come for you. They'll come for all of you.
I know.
I find that as brave, if not braver, a choice to oppose Adolf Hitler when you are German than someone from the outside.
Your life is at stake now, and if you want to live through the night, you'll do exactly as I say.
This is a movie about intrigue. This is a movie about the constant threat of discovery. Any person around you could be the person who betrays you.
We've been discovered.
Every project I take, there's a reason behind it. In the end, it has to be a cool story. And I think this is a very cool story. One that very few people really know.
It's full of action. It's full of suspense. It's full of drama.
Action is inevitable, as are the consequences.
Valkyrie.